Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Prada women's nylon shoulder bag. So let's first take a look around the outside of the cotton storage bag. And now let's proceed by opening the storage bag up to reveal the Prada nylon women's shoulder bag right there. Popping it out from its cotton storage bag, we're going to set the storage bag to one side and giving you a nice complete view of the shoulder bag. So as you can see, it does have blue accents to it, and overall it is black in color, and it does have leather trimmings as well for the shoulder straps or carry handle and along the edge of the bag as well. And just to give you some idea of the size right there, my hands holding it on the side or sides of the bag, giving you some sense of scale right there. And this is the opposite side of the bag. As you can see, does have a velour style trim in the middle of the bag that goes partly to the base or bottom of the bag. So you can see there's appears to be an extra layer of fabric around the midsection of the underside of the bag. So the bag being made from nylon, it is very light in weight, as well as making it very durable as well. So just giving you an all-round look right there with various perspective and angles right there. So just going to move the cotton bag slightly to the side there, so you have a good full view of this Prada nylon women's shoulder bag. Okay, and now let's go ahead and take a close-up look at the finer details of the bag. So you can see the Prada branding right there. It does kind of resemble a buckle right through the middle of the bag. I'm going to give you that close-up look as well to the fine detail. As I move towards the bottom or base of the bag right there, so you can see the coloration and of course the texture and fabric. And you can see the saffiano leather trim for the edges of the bag, as well as the handles as well, or carry strap. Right there with the very fine detail. And to show you the thickness as well, always good to know. Right there, and right round, top side and underside. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look inside the bag, but just before I do that, I'm going to just give you one more view right there. And now looking inside the bag, top down of course, there is of course some paper stuffing in there just to keep the bag in shape. Let's pop it out. and setting them to the side right there, and looking in the bag itself. So you can see pretty cavernous on the inside, does open quite wide and quite evenly as well. So very deep bag with a very symmetrical design. And of course, showing you the inner details of this nylon bag. You can see there is an inner zipper pocket right there. And turning it to the other side, there is a magnetized pocket right there, clipping shut. So it is a button style magnet right there, round, and you could hear it snap right there, snapping shut. So one pocket right there, giving you a look at the depth and width of that pocket, and of course the inner lining as well. And closing that side up, and looking at the zippered pocket right now. Let's pull it open fully, just so you can see, and of course which side is which. And looking in that inner pocket right there. And of course there is some Prada cards here for the product or shoulder bag right here. Let's set it down. And of course showing you the tag details as well. So you can see the model and reference details right there. And of course the reverse side as well. Okay, so nice good look all around inside the zippered pocket, and of course the Prada tag right there as well. Nice good detail all around with this very nice and lightweight nylon shoulder bag, zipping shut, and giving you a look at that zipper detail as well. So you see all the leather that appears on this nylon shoulder bag is the Saffiano variety. And close-up look right there. And it appears that the top of the bag does shut with a magnetic round closure as well. So right there, giving you a nice good look. And let's take a look at the details here. Of course, the very standard Prada product information, front as well as back. So setting that down, and of course the other card over here. In this packet you will see the Prada product card right here. And setting that down as well, back down. So a nice good overall look at this Prada women's nylon shoulder bag with the nice blue trimming and saffiano leather trim as well. So that's the Prada women's nylon shoulder bag. Thanks for watching and happy styling!